What is up, guys? We're back again with another vlog, and you know what that means. It is Friday! That was fun. Friday also means it's drink time, and today I'm going to show you how to make a dark and stormy. First thing, you're going to need an awesome pirate glass, some kind of dark rum, ginger beer, a cutting board, limes, lime squeezer, and an ice. Oh, and ice. I usually eyeball these drinks, so I'm going to start with the rum. I'm going to pour about... We'll go swashbuckler. That's 6 ounces. Next, you're going to take your ginger beer. Did I say ginger ale before? I meant ginger beer. Pour about, I don't know, another 2 to 3 ounces in there. Now you're going to take your limes, squeeze them in there. And now, yeah, that's good. So I'm out in the backyard. It is Friday afternoon. This weekend is going to be super exciting because tomorrow we're going to do something really fun. It's kind of a semi-announcement at the same time. I don't know. It's really cool. I'm excited. Are you excited?
Excited?
Cool.
Are you asking me?
Yeah, I'm asking you.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Okay.
Super excited.
There is one thing that I'm not excited about today, unfortunately, and that is related to the Home Depot situation that you guys may or may not be familiar with. If you haven't seen the Home Depot video, you should check it out. I will link it right here. Just click on that or click on the link in the description. You can go check it out. Today is when Mike Rivera, the district manager for that specific Home Depot, was supposed to call me or email me back with some kind of information on how we were going to proceed. It's about 6 o'clock on Friday, and I have heard nothing, nada, zip, zilch from him. What is that freaking weed whacker in the background? God. A lot of you guys said that I should just get it over with, cancel the order. I think that's really good advice. The reason I haven't done that so far is because I feel like I'm letting them get away with it, and that just drives me crazy. But at this point, I feel like the longer it goes on, the more they're going to be able to take advantage of me. So, Mike, if you're watching this, or if anybody else from Home Depot is watching this, and you were involved in this directly, you are a complete and total failure. So, that's it for tonight. Gonna make a few more dark and stormies. But the next time you see me will be tomorrow when we are getting ready to go to the surprise event. Good morning. We are headed down to San Diego on Saturday, August 27th. And I still haven't told you guys what we're going to do, but we're really excited. We have an appointment to meet with a dude at noon, and right now it is 11:53, and we have 23 minutes to go. A little bit worried we're not going to make it on time, but not a big deal. Okay, so if you haven't figured it out yet, we are boat shopping today. Super excited. So this is the first one we've seen. It's a 44-foot sailing catamaran, and it looks really, really good. I'll take you guys on a tour right now. respect of privacy. Okay, just finished looking at the second boat. Someone was living on that one, so we couldn't go inside and film. But it was really cool. It was a little bit bigger and it was newer. Super awesome. On to the third one, which is supposed to be a little bit of a junker. We'll see what happens. Oh my god. You can't tell how big that is. So we are in a dry dock boatyard right now. We're going to look at the third and final boat for today. It's also a sailing catamaran, same size. This one apparently needs a little bit more work though, so we'll see how this goes. Man, that is crazy how big that is. Look at that. Wow. Looks like it's probably under. And that is the shower right there. And it had one of those, we call it the potential swimming pool situation. Okay. All right, we just finished looking at the third and final boat. What did you think?
Boat day was fun.
Boat
Now
day
I want one.
Boat day was really fun. We totally want one now. But what are we doing first?
Getting food! Food! I'm so hungry.
Nom, 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 nom. Just had lunch at Mitch's. It was yummy. Big day of boat shopping.
Okay.
Now we're going home.
To be lazy.
To be lazy.
I wasn't sure.